We got this little pressure pump here. I got our hose off the high pressure side of this differential pressure switch on the wall. We're just going to give it enough air to trip it for a second. That ought to be enough. And then we're going to wait on the alarm notification from the sensiphone, which I'm going to pull up on my phone in a second here. And there's our alarm right there. You can see alarm detected, differential pressure bag filter alarm. So that is working. Now here you can see where the first alarm actually returned back to normal. When I disconnected the pressure pump just a minute later, the alarm came in. Alright, so here's our second differential pressure alarm. I got the hose off the high side. We're going to again put it on this for about a 10 count. Alright, now that ought to trip the alarm, so I'm going to pull my phone up, see if I get another alarm email. Alright, here you can see the second alarm. Notice the timestamp on the email. We're about 5 or 6 minutes difference from the first time we tested it. And here's the last alarm. You can see a minute later. Bag filter differential pressure has returned to normal. It is now okay. Notice the timestamp on the email.
It's higher temperature than our thermostat will allow to shut off, so we're trying to cool the temperature of the thermostat to show the fan operation. As previously stated here in Within O, we have lowered the temperature in the localized area of the thermostat because it's 90-something degrees in our shop today. And in just a few minutes, we'll be above the set point of 80 and the fan will turn back on. Right now it's 70 degrees on the thermostat. I can turn it off. As the ambient temperature increases, it will turn on in an automatic function. We've got ice on the thermostat to cool the thermostat down because it's 90 degrees today. The heater is on. We'll go get an amp reading. Six amps on one leg. 6 amps on the other. And we'll go see if we can read a temperature difference now. Went from 90.1 to 92, so it is going up.
See, we're drawing water into the vacuum manifold. It's kind of hard to see, but you see the bubbles coming in. That's where we're pulling the water in. We're going to let it hit this float and watch the pump operate. We'll go get an amp reading on the pump as well. We'll show the flow rate on the flow meter. That flow meter's on, right? Yeah. Alright, should kick on in just a second. And there's our pump, just kicked on. See the pressure. There's a flow meter. Running about 12 or 13 gallons a minute. Let's go take our amp reading while the pump's still working. It'll turn off automatically Alright. About 2 amps, that's good. Let's go watch it turn off. Of mercury vacuum. Let's go take our amp reading. And we'll want to check all 3 legs.
What we got is 7.9 weight, 12.
12.8 on L1. 13.5. Yep, that's still good. 13.5. All right, thank you.
Yep.
So vacuum at the pump. So our piping goes up, over. We got 20 inches there. Other side of the filter on the tank. 20 inches there. So our knockout tank pump is off. And we're getting ready to hit the high level alarm. We have the pump off so that we can show the alarm functionality where when this trips, it'll shut off the liquid ring. Then we'll pump it down a little bit and show the alarm reset, and the liquid ring should come back on. There's our alarm. So the blower's off. So we're going to go over to the control panel. Alright, now the alarm's tripped. See the light? We're going to pump it down a little bit. Just enough to get it below so that we can reset the alarm. That ought to be good. Now we press the alarm reset. And our vacuum blower is back on. Let's go show the vacuum blower. Coming back up. Alright, so we've got the old water separator transfer pump off, but the knockout tank is pumping out into this tank. So we're about to hit this high level alarm and show you that it's going to turn off the knockout tank transfer pump. And there, the knockout tank transfer pump just turned off. 0 pressure. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the control panel, show that alarm light. Let's see. OWS high level. Now we're going to hand pump this old water separator out a little bit. You go in there and let me know when it's below the high level so I can reset it. When we reset that alarm, that should let the knockout tank pump kick back on. Alright, so we're going to reset this alarm.
Below the high level.
Okay, I'm resetting the alarm, and now our knockout tank pump should come back on. And you can see we got pressure. It's on. We're about 13 gallons a minute. That's our light switch. See the lights are already on. Lights off. Now these are the high pressure light bulbs that take a minute to heat back up when you turn them off. You see here, you turn it on. They're not quite on yet, so it's going to take a minute for them to come back up. Now you can see the lights starting to come back on. It takes a couple of minutes for them to heat up. Okay, Bo is going to simulate a high temperature trip on the liquid ring pump. Go ahead. So breaks the circuit. You see high temp light is lit. We press the reset. Sorry, there we go. Light is not lit anymore. Alarm's reset. Alright, go ahead. Alright, we're tripping out an oil alarm. Alright. That was our high oil.
Yep.
You see that alarm light is tripped. So now we go and reset. You can hear it pull back in, and the light is clear.
And I just tripped the low alarm too.
And now Bo just tripped the low alarm. You see it is right here, tripped and lit. And now we reset that. You can hear it pull back in. The alarm's cleared. All right, Bo's got the product storage tank float. We're going to turn this transfer pump on. This is the knockout tank pump. You see the green light's on. Now go ahead and trip it. All right, he just tripped it. Let it back down. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to reset this alarm. You can see we got a product storage tank high level. I'll reset this alarm, and I'm going to turn these other pumps in auto. So we're going to show the operation of those pumps as well. So there's the alarm reset. We'll turn this pump and this pump into auto. Alright, so we just made our float here, and we're starting to pump down on the old water separator tank. Let's go show the amps. You can see here's our flow rate, 14 gallons a minute. Let's go see the amps on that pump. And then shortly after that, we should make the air stripper. So we're at about a little under an amp on that pump. So now we'll wait for the air stripper to fill up. Get the amp meter on that air stripper pump. So we're going to be slowly filling up this air stripper tank. Takes a little while for all the water to work its way through. As you can see, so we are pumping down in the old water separator. So it's just going to take a little while for the water to reach the bottom of this sump. You can see it's already starting to come up. As soon as this pump actuates, we'll go get amps on it. Should just take another minute or so for it to get to that middle float. While we're waiting on that, you can see our blower's running at about 20 inches of water. Can you get me amps on the blower real fast? I don't want to miss that pump coming on. Air stripper blower. There's our air stripper blower amps. Now let's go see if that pump's about ready. Getting close on the pump for the air stripper to start pumping out. Just kicked on. See, there's our flow there. Pumping out about 19 gallons a minute. Alright, let's go get the amps on the air stripper pump. There's our air stripper pump amps. So now we'll wait for that old water separator to pump all the way down and show that that pump turns off. Old water separator is almost getting ready to turn off. And now it's off. There it goes. You can see here, pump's off. Flow rate is down to 0. So now we just wait on this air stripper pump to continue pumping down, and it should pump all the way down to the bottom and then turn itself off. Show our pressures. 10 psi here. 10 across the bag filter. 7 on that drum. About 5 on that drum. And then it discharges. Almost to the point where the float, bottom float, will turn that pump on. There it goes. See our pump? No longer operating. And our flow meter is caught up as well, down to 0 gallons a minute, so all that's working. Okay. Alright, we're raising the level on the stripper to simulate a high level alarm, which will turn off our old water separator transfer pump. Alright, there's our shutdown. See, it'll take just a second. See our flow going down on this pump. Alright, we're down to 0 there. This will continue to pump down. It'll just take a minute. The other thing to note is we've got this big loop in our line to prevent an overflow condition from getting liquid into the blower. Now we just have to wait for the water level to come down. As soon as that blower turns off, it creates a cascading effect of this water coming down. Normally there's a timer set at a much longer duration, about 5 minutes, so that that blower will keep running. Alright, so we are getting ready for it to pump down enough to where we can go reset this alarm. Our floats come down now. So we'll go over. The alarm doesn't reset until we push the button, so we'll show the alarm light. See, there's our air stripper sump high level alarm light. We reset it. You can hear the blower come back on, and there's our sump level light off. Go show the blower back on. Our blower back running again. The alarm's reset. Alright, our all water separator pump is on. What we're going to do is we're going to pull this hose to simulate a low pressure alarm. So now our pressure switch is not seeing pressure from the blower. You can see our pressure is down to 0 on the gauge. Now it's got a short timer that has to make before this alarm is going to trip. And that's to allow it some time to build up pressure when you initially start the system. Alright, there's our low pressure alarm. You can see here. Our low pressure alarm is hit. What we'll do is we'll turn this hose back on real quick. We'll go over and show that alarm light. Hang on.
A small.
There's our low pressure alarm light. Alright, we're going to trip a high pressure. Go ahead. Alright. We'll show our high pressure alarm and we'll reset it. There's high pressure, reset, and you hear the blower come back on.